Alright, we got a new player just pulled up. Car Jamboree. These guys have been out here for like 5 hours now. Hey, we're sending in a helicopter to help you guys. Why are you throwing snow back on your car? Look at these guys over here. Big snow plows trying to get through it, but they can't. They've got nitwits. We had to go buy Doritos over here. Oh boy, holy shit, here it comes. It's like fucking Robopop on steroids. So good. Oh man. Right through the Jamboree, essentially burying them back in. Let's get that up.